In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule automated reports in Whatagraph. By the end, you'll have your reports sending themselves to the right people, on the right day, at the right time, without any manual work. Start by opening your dashboard or the specific folder where your reports are listed. Find the report you want to automate. Hover your mouse over its card to reveal more options. You'll see a three-dot menu appear on the report card. Click it, then choose Automate Report. This opens the Automation Settings window where you'll set exactly how and when the report goes out. First, set the sending frequency. Choose how often the report should be delivered, like daily for fast-moving campaigns, weekly for regular check-ins, or monthly for executive summaries. Pick what makes sense for your stakeholders and the pace of your data. Next, select the delivery day. This is the day of the week or month the report goes out. Think about your team's routine. For example, early in the week can help kickstart planning, while end-of-week deliveries can wrap up performance. Now set the time and time zone. This determines the precise send time. Choose the time zone that best reflects your audience so the report arrives when they're likely to read it. If your recipients are in different regions, pick the primary time zone you're coordinating around to avoid confusion. You'll also see issue handling. Here, decide whether the report should be sent automatically or require your review first. Automatic delivery is best when you're confident in the template and data sources. If you want a final check, especially for new reports or sensitive metrics, choose to review before sending. That gives you a chance to verify numbers and context before it hits inboxes. After that, add your recipients. Type the email addresses of everyone who should receive the report. You can include multiple people, and it's a good practice to double-check spelling and make sure each person truly needs the report to keep distribution focused and relevant. When everything looks right, click Automate Report to save the schedule. From now on, Whatagraph will send the report based on the frequency, day, time, and delivery options you selected. If you ever need to make changes, you can return to these settings to adjust the cadence, edit recipients, or pause the automation. That's it. You've set up automated reporting in Whatagraph, ensuring consistent, timely updates without manual effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save.